Yo, what is good people? Ben from Lover of Tech, and we are back with another video, and this time is of another unboxing. We have the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. This is gonna be a beast of an unboxing. Let's get into it. Now, this is Xiaomi's follow-up to the Mi 11 Ultra. We know that beast of a phone. I never had a chance to use it, but this time I'm gonna get down with this one and see what this is about. So 12S Ultra, and this is all to do with that Sony IMX989 sensor, 50 megapixels with that huge micron pixel size, man, and the autofocus system that comes with it as well. So this is also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Hoi! Co-engineered with Leica. Yeah, this is a beast. This is a beast. Yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna unbox it, get straight to it, man. Yeah, boy. We're gonna see if they really put the Ultra into Ultra. All right, let's unbox this. Let's see what we've got here. Boom, boom, boom. Harman Kardon by Sound, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos. All right, let's see. All right, it's got the suction, anticipation, and it's a thick boy box, so we know we are gonna be getting some stuff that's in there, man. We know we're gonna be getting some stuff that's in there. Cool, put this to the side. Xiaomi, interesting. Okay, thank you very much. We've got the SIM ejector tool, little booklet that's there. And of course, we've got, as Textbook would say, the condom case. Greatest invention and name given to the silicone case that comes with the phone. Gotta love it. Oh yeah, this is a thick boy. My goodness. That is a thick boy. Okay, let's put this to the side for now. Let's get in here. Okay, so what do we have? We've got USB-C to A cable, USB-C to A, so it's not C to C. But I'd love to see USB-C to C. And we've got the 67 watt fast charger from Xiaomi, which has got the USB-A colored in orange. All right, interesting. Don't know if there's anything else that's in here. We always like to make sure, no headphones, nothing else. But you do get a case and a charger included. So that is definitely co-signed as a win so far in terms of impressions going. Put this to the side. And let's bring the main one here. Okay. All right. Whee! Yo, this is a tank. My goodness. Let's peel this off. That's it. Wipe it down quickly. And then give it a top-down treatment. Yeah, that is nice. That is very, very nice. That is very nice. Oh, wow. Check that. That's a beast. That is an absolute beast. And it's got this leather feel to it as well. This is really nice. All right, let's do a scan around. Okay, and I know the camera is going to be the main thing. So we've got the power button on the right and the volume rocker right on top. Nothing on the left. We've got the speaker at the bottom here and USB-C and also the microphone as well as the SIM ejector for dual SIM. You've got the single hole punch at the top, and it does come with a pre-applied screen protector, which is really good to see. And it looks like we've got infrared. Oh my days, do we have an infrared reader? Yes, oh my days. Okay, it's been a while since I've seen that. Okay, and then the behemoth. Now, apparently the 50 megapixel sensor is actually this one right here on the left, and that is the zoom. That is the 50 megapixel, the ultra wide, and you've got the zoom right here. Interesting. All right, let's see if we've got a bit of power in here. Let's boot this up. Let's boot this bad boy up. Please tell me we've got some power. Any power? Okay, so it doesn't look like it's got any juice in there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna charge it up and then pretty much come back. Okay, we are back. We've charged it to 100%. In fact, I actually used the opportunity to do a charging test video. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss that video to see how long it takes to charge from 0 to 100% with the 67-watt charger that comes in a box, quick charge. So this is obviously the China model. So I had to use Google Translate to get into the settings to be able to change the language to English. It doesn't obviously come with Google Play services. You have to kind of put that on manually and whatnot. But here we are. We've pretty much done the software update, which has the latest MIUI update on there with Android 12, of course, which is good to see. Here are some of the specs that we can see right here. So Xiaomi 12S Ultra, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 3 gigabytes of RAM is extra because of the RAM extension feature that's on there. 6.73 inches, QHD plus resolution at 3200 by 1440, 20:9 aspect ratio, battery capacity at 4,860 milliamp hour battery, and of course the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile chip, which is on a 4nm TSMC process rather than Samsung's one. Front-facing camera is 32 megapixels. You've got the 50 megapixel main Sony IMX989 sensor, 48 megapixels for the zoom, and the ultra wide, which zoom is at ×5, but they push it to 120 times zoom. So we've got all specs right here. It is based on Android 12. Nice haptic feedback, which is something I definitely love. Curved display is a bit, it makes it hard to do the gestures. But yeah, these are what we have right here with 256 gigabytes of storage. Now, when we go to the display, we can see it right here. We can dark mode it, of course. We're going to leave it on light mode. And then obviously we got the brightness level, which we've set here. I think I measured it to be around, let's go here. Let's see, because we've got a pure white background here. I'm going to bring up the lux meter. And let's see what we get in terms of the lux reading. So this is reading around 577 lux. Yeah, 580 sustained. With the sunlight mode on, might be bright with automatic brightness. It's just a quick reading there. Take that with a grain of salt. And obviously we've got the color scheme, vivid, different options here. I've pushed it to QHD. And 120 hertz. I've pushed it. Obviously, when you leave it on recommended, it does it adaptive, but you can obviously set it to custom. And I love the fact that there is a 90 hertz option. Let me turn the brightness down a bit so we can see it properly. I love the fact that there is a 90 hertz option right there, which is good to see. Love it, love it, love it. Adaptive. You've got the AI engine here, super resolution to enhance videos, EMNC, that's the motion estimation, motion compensation. Can put the advanced AI for HDR, image processing to enhance, but eMMC off, which obviously upscales the frame rate. And obviously you've got your font sizes and whatnot here, which is good to see. Fingerprints and whatnot, we'll set that up once we get to the full impressions video. Cool. But the main thing that we want to see here is the camera, right? So we've got the main 50 megapixel, then a 48 megapixel ultra wide, and the 5x zoom that can go all the way up to 120 times. Okay, so 1x, this is the IMX989 sensor. Okay, let's try that. We've got Cal Kestis right here. And we've got taking a snap, fast shutter speed. And then we're going to do the 50 megapixel mode, which still snaps it very quickly. I'm surprised. Okay. We're going to rotate it. We're going to go to classic, and we're going to go to original, turn off all of the beautification stuff, and take a selfie as we do. Okay. Right. I'm gonna do photo again, and then we're gonna go to video. Now, what do we have in terms of the video options? So video options is a very interesting one because we do have 720, 1080, 720 only 30 frames, 1080 up to 60 frames, 4K up to 60 frames, then it's showing all 3 lenses, and then 24 frames a second, which, wow, okay, the 8K actually goes on the ultra wide as well as the zoom. Very impressive. All right, let's check this. 4K 30 frames a second, we start recording. And that's one thing I don't like. I don't like the slider thing that they do. It's not really that intuitive, if I'm going to be very honest with you. So it's going all the way back. So I guess you can switch on the fly. I'm going to pause the recording. We're going to switch that to 4K 60 and press record. So you can't switch it ultra wide in 4K 60, which is usually quite a common thing. And the zoom is on the main sensor still itself. So you have to pause it, go to the ultra wide, start recording to still get 4K 60. Then you can zoom in slightly on the ultra wide up to 2x. So this is still a common problem that you find on flagship phones. With 4K 60, you have to pause it to be able to switch lenses. But what is impressive is you've got 4K, and it does the same thing in 4K as so 8K, but you can record 8K on the ultra wide. I believe this is the first one I've seen that can do 8K on the ultra wide, which is interesting, as well as on the zoom. So it's at 24 frames a second, and that's very interesting. So let's do one more test. If we go to 4K 30, if you're recording, the only thing you can't do is you can't flip it to the selfie camera while you're recording in 4K 30. That is something you can do on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Speaking of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, could the real Ultra please stand up? Cue in, I'm Slim Shady. Yes, so we will be doing some comparisons. Camera, battery charging. We're gonna be flying through the comparisons with these ones and seeing how it really holds up with the IMX989 sensor and it looks up with the video features as well as the photo features that we're getting right here. It's gonna be very interesting to see how it plans out, because this 12S Ultra is a direct dig at the S22 Ultra. So yeah, the real Ultra, please stand up. With all the power this has got as the all-round phone with S Pen support built into the screen and into the phone itself, it's gonna be interesting. But for now, I'm gonna leave it there. And that is it with this early hands-on impressions and unboxing of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you enjoy videos like this, as always, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.